earnandgo.co. Is it a scam? Is it legit? What exactly is it? That's what we'll be talking about today. If you're new to my channel, please subscribe. I make videos about making money online. I have hundreds of videos in my back catalog. Hit the notification bell as well to be notified of new videos coming out. I upload quite frequently. I show all kinds of different sites and techniques for making money online, apps and such. Anyways, let's get right into this. So, earnandgo.co is this website here. And welcome to the #1 earning network. Earn money at school, home, and so forth. Start earning from your Instagram account today. Earn a $50 bonus upon signing up. Earn $10 for every friend you refer. So that's pretty cool. How it works, again, you just sign up, you share, you get $10, even $2 for every person who clicks on your link, and then you withdraw your money through such sites as PayPal and Bitcoin. And by the way, I'm going to show you a place to share referral links at the end of this video and some other cool apps where you can make some instant money as well, so stick around for that. Affiliate rewards, so here's some screenshots of people, testimonials and such, and then some more testimonials and such, live Twitter feed, and so on. So let's take a look at this. Let's take a look at some facts. Let's take a look at some red flags, and then you can decide if this is something you want to do or not. If you're already on the site, let me know in the comments below as well. Let me know how it's going. If you're not, leave some comments down there as well too. So let's take a look. All right, so about us. Okay, who is blah blah blah, claims that they began in 2015, the beginning, so far and so forth. Okay, I'm just going to point out some things, and then I'm going to show you some other things here. So there's a reason why I'm showing you 2015. Oh, here we go. Who is Earn and Go? Okay, so we're based out of South London. Okay, South London, 2015. Let's move along. Payment proof. Go here. Here's a bunch of screenshots and such. I mean, obviously, screenshots are, you know, is that real or not? Who knows? All right, so let's go into, first of all, 2015. You go into Whois database here. earnandgo.co was created in October 18th, 2019. Today is February 2020. I'm not sure the exact date, but it's mid of February. So, okay, so they've been around less than a year, even though that says 2015. Some other red flags you want to take a look at here. Let's go back to the home page. Now, they said they were from South London. Where are we located? We are located out of the Netherlands. Okay. Very interesting. So they don't even know where they're located, apparently. Oh, and let's take a look at the testimonials real quick. So these people here, okay, so these are so-called testimonials, and we're just going to take a look at some of their photos because I want you to look how old these people are, or their age-wise. Okay, so they're mostly 20s, you know, maybe 30s, 20s and 30s. So the real kicker is when you go to the terms of service, terms and conditions, and you type in, you know, fine 99. All right, so if you are under the age of 99, you are not allowed to use the Earn and Go site and features nor our services. Some offerings on the Earn and Go sites and features or services or our services may be subject to additional age restrictions. Additional age restrictions because what? My God, is this a scam or what? Put any comments below. Smash the like button while you're down there. You think it's a scam? You think it's legit? You tell me. Put it in the comments below. All right, so let's get moving along here. Let's get it moving along to show you some legitimate things that don't have these shady conditions and such, and a place to promote legitimate things to make some money. All right, so this is a free website that you could use right here to promote all kind of affiliate products, referral things, and all kinds of stuff like that. So this is a free website. Again, there's links in the video description for all this stuff as well. I have some really cool offers here for you. If you want to start learning how to make money online, you can check out these offers here. You got Make Money Online, Learn Affiliate Marketing. But if you want to just make some quick cash today, check out the Cash apps that I have here. Most people have Cash App already. So if you don't have it, sign up, use my referral code. You can get $5 just today, just for signing up. If you do have it, you can use the site that I'm showing you here to promote it. Dosh is another really cool app. Use my referral code GregK21, and you're gonna get money. Pretty much, this one you sync your debit card or your credit card, whatever you go shopping with, to, and you get cash back when you shop. You get money for referring friends. Sometimes I get $5, sometimes it's $7, sometimes it's $10. I made some decent referral money off this one. That's my TikTok account there. You get free stocks here today. This one's United States only, and I think the UK might be coming soon if it's not already there. You get free stocks just for signing up with my referral code here. So that's pretty cool. Pi Network, this is free cryptocurrency mining on your phone, Android, iOS. By the way, all these apps are Android and iOS devices. Use my code GREG1. It is invite only, so you're going to need a referral code. And then more people you have in your network of mining, the higher mining rate that you have. So you're definitely going to want to start promoting that as well. And again, you can use this website I'm showing you right here, just like I'm using it for free. There's links in the video description below. Earn cash with Rakuten. A lot of people use this one too. You can earn $10 when you refer people, or they get $10. Like today, use my referral link, you'll get $10. Another cash back thing when you go shopping with your cards that you already go shopping with, you get money back. You don't have to do anything extra. They even have coupons, all kind of other stuff. You get $25 for when you refer people. Again, if you use my link, I'm going to get $25 for referring you. So thank you in advance. Another one in the United States only is delivery.com. This is for food and such. Really cool site that you can get delivery for your groceries, liquor stores, restaurants, and such. Really cool. It's available about 100 different US cities, so check it out. You get $10 when you use my referral code here. And then when you buy stuff there, you get money back as well. There's a point system actually. You get points, and then you use those points to more, free food and stuff like that. And you can refer friends, and you get $10 every time you invite someone. So a lot of really cool stuff here, some legitimate opportunities for you. So check those out as well. I would definitely stay away from these sites that, claim all this stuff, and you have to be 99 years old and such. Like, come on. It's like they put that stuff in there just to see if anyone's paying attention. If you're not paying attention, you're going to get suckered into it, and they know you can be suckered. So just stay away from that stuff. Check out my hundreds of other videos on my channel. Please subscribe, hit the notification bell as well. I'm going to put some videos up too about these other apps I just mentioned right in the screen here. So that is all for today. Beware of the scams, folks. I will talk to you soon.